Robert Wedderburn, 1762–1835, was a British Jamaican radical and slavery abolitionist of multiracial descent active in early 19th century London. Wedderburn was born in Kingston, Jamaica, an illegitimate son of an enslaved mixed-looking woman who worked for his father in his house. His mother's name Rosanna, who had 3 children with Robert Wedderburn's father during the time of she being his house slave. Robert Wedderburn grew up in Kingston under the care of his grandmother, a Jamaican slave known as Talkie Amy, who was a slave who traded goods for her master, and for other merchants on commission. Robert's grandmother was so much in the merchants' confidence that she traded smuggled goods for them. At the age of 11 he saw his 70-year-old grandmother flogged within an inch of her life, accused of witchcraft, or presumably obeah. To escape the insecurity and abuse of the plantation, Wedderburn signed on with the Royal Navy at the age of 16. On the ships, the quality of food and living conditions were abysmal, and it was during this time that Wedderburn became increasingly opposed to the method of punishments used by the Royal Navy. During this period, Wedderburn found employment as a tailor, becoming trained in the profession. Through means that remain unclear, it is possible that he had been an apprentice in Jamaica or had learned while in the Navy. Wedderburn eventually became a journeyman tailor. As he referred to himself as a flint tailor, this suggests he was registered in the Book of Trades and shared values typical of other artisans, including pride in his craft and a belief in economic independence. In 1824, he published an anti-slavery book entitled The Horrors of Slavery.